Welcome to the Introduction to BudgetLink's new Salaries and Wages Budget module. We have created this module because we've found that for many of our clients, salaries and wages are a significant expense and therefore accurately budgeting for them is very important. However, it is often a highly complex and time-consuming task when done manually. This module addresses and automates such complexities and allows you to quickly create a salaries and wages budget at an employee level that is easily allocated across jobs and can then be imported back into your overall budget. The first step in setting up the salaries and wages budget template is to select the end date of the first pay period of the financial year. This sets the dates of the columns as you can see and ensures that the pay information is assigned to the correct month. In addition, the module has specifically been designed to handle the situation where some employees are paid weekly, some fortnightly, and some monthly. We also need to enter the number of jobs across which we're going to allocate the salaries, wages, and on-costs. We'll stick with 4. If we click Publish, we can then select the employees. We'll just select Joe Williams for the purposes of this demonstration. If we select more employees, they would appear as additional worksheets. You can see that Joe Williams is paid weekly and that he will be paid 4 times in July and 5 times in August. His wage categories and their linked accounts are automatically pulled in from MYOB, as are his on-costs. His standard pay and super and work cover amounts are also automatically brought in, which saves a significant amount of time compared to manually looking this information up in MYOB for each employee. Once this data has been brought in, you can add to it or overwrite it in the template. For example, Joe Williams' workload may increase around financial year end, so we can estimate that he will do $300 worth of overtime for the first 3 pay periods of the financial year. We could also enter holiday leave loading and update the on-cost amounts. Furthermore, we can budget for a pay rise for Joe. For example, we can enter a 4% increase to take effect from the first pay period in August. This will flow through to the wages and on-costs for the rest of the year. Once the wages and on-costs have been forecast, we can then split them across jobs. We select the jobs to split across and then enter the percentage splits. These can then be varied throughout the year. Now that we've completed the budget for one employee, we need to do the same for the others. However, if there are a number of employees who would be budgeted for in exactly the same way, it's possible to change the number of employees up here before importing into the main budget, rather than creating the same template multiple times. Now you can save, and then with just a few clicks you can import this salaries and wages information into your existing budget in the Budget Entry module. To do this, you go to Utilities, click the top button and browse for and select your salaries and wages file. Your salaries and wages information will then be brought in here. If you would like more information about the Salaries and Wages Budget module or would like to purchase it, please contact us at inquiries@accountingaddons.com.au or call us on 1300 add-ons. That's 1300 233 667.